You imagine there's a baby under the blanket, huh? There's a baby under the blanket and you're going to tear it up.
Tearing it up.
He's going to eat it, honey. Spaz, you going to eat the babies? You going to... Spaz? 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 Are you going to eat the babies? Yeah.
Honey, are you videoing that?
Uh-huh.
Don't be evil.
He's going to eat the babies. Spaz going to eat the babies. Spaz a happy boy now, huh? He's a happy boy now. Yes, he is.